Hi there, my name is Jackie, and in this video I'll guide you through the process of changing your birth date on YouTube. And in just a minute you'll learn how to do it by yourself. So let's delve right into it. So to change your birth date on YouTube, go to your profile icon, click on it, then scroll down to your settings, click on your settings. So still scroll down to your Google account, which is here, and then click on view or change your Google account settings. So on the left you have a menu, and then you click on personal information. So here you'll find your birth date. Click on it and then make your changes. So then save. Confirm your birth date. And there you go, your birthday has been updated. So if you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a like. Thank you.